The world of trading moves incredibly fast. Are you ready to keep up? Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss a scalping strategy that allows you to make quick decisions and execute trades within seconds. This way, you can take advantage of short-term market opportunities and minimize the risk of losses. So make sure to watch until the end. And don't forget to support us by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. In the search bar, type Katoga Cloud and select the 1 by D7R. Leave the Katoga Cloud indicator at its default settings. This indicator is similar to the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo indicator and will help us observe trends in the market. The Katoga Cloud indicator is easy to use. If the indicator turns navy blue, it signals a bullish trend. At this point, your main focus should be on finding a buy entry. However, to confirm the strength of the trend, make sure all three parts of the indicator are navy blue. Now, let's add another indicator to help guide our trade entries. In the search bar, type BBO Roxana Signals MACD and select the 1 by Bitcoin blockchain inline. Adjust the following settings in the Input tab. Set the short length to 22, set the long length to 40, set the fast length to 9, set the slow length to 45, set signal smoothing to 30. This indicator gives you signals through green triangles for buy entries and red triangles for sell entries. We will use it to confirm valid trade opportunities. How to place a sell entry. If the BBO Roxana MACD indicator gives a sell signal, red triangle, you need to confirm the validity of the signal by checking the Katoga Cloud indicator. Ensure the trend is bearish, with all parts of the Katoga Cloud colored red. For further confirmation, check that the current candlestick is also bearish. Once all conditions are met, you can place a sell entry after the bearish candlestick closes. Set your stop loss at the last swing high and aim for a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 for your take-profit target. How to place a buy entry. For a buy entry, if the BBO Roxana MACD indicator gives a buy signal, green triangle, confirm it's valid by checking the Katoga Cloud. Ensure the trend is bullish, with all parts of the Katoga Cloud colored navy blue. Additionally, the current candlestick should be bullish. Once all conditions are met, place a buy entry after the bullish candlestick closes. Set your stop loss at the last swing low and use a 1 to 1.5 risk-to-reward ratio for your take-profit target. Always remember to maintain good money management and trading psychology, as no trading strategy is 100% perfect. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe for more trading strategies.